Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alethea Dawn. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Obviously you can tell by the title that I'm doing a room tour, but it's not just any room tour. If you guys aren't new here, you obviously know I just moved into my college apartment, and so my room has been kind of coming along as I've been here for the past few weeks, getting everything together, but I can officially say that it is donezo. I love everything that's in it, and I'm so excited to finally tell you guys the brand I'm collaborating with. So this video is in collaboration with DESENIO, and if you don't know who that brand is, I'm gonna show you guys just on my phone. If you go to their website, what you see, and they have prints, they have just amazing wall gallery art. If you guys go to their website, you can see that they have categories, and you can look through these categories and find posters / wall art just like the ones behind me that come in gorgeous frames that you can get on the website as well. They have multiple different options for what frames to get, and it's honestly such a great brand. The shipping is ridiculously fast, and to go along with that, I also have a discount code for you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that right here. So if you guys want to hop on that discount and go ahead and use it, I would love the support and would also love for you guys to get a discount. DESENIO is a pretty decently priced brand, but it's always great to have an extra little discount and also to show you guys the support for me and my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this room tour on the two posters behind me. So these obviously are those really trendy, really popular, like abstract one-line pictures, and you can honestly get these from places like Amazon or All Posters, but I think DESENIO's is the best quality that I've seen thus far, because you can literally tell the difference just from the texture of the paper, and it's like a matte instead of a glossy. And the frames are just really simple, they're not too chunky, and that's another thing I really love about DESENIO and their products. So these two are one-line abstract pictures. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see. So as you can see, this one is of a woman's back, and I know it might be kind of hard to see that when you're first looking at it, but this is the first one I got, and these are the 50 by 70 frames. And this one as well is clearly a woman naked, just kind of sitting, and I think it is so gorgeous, so simple, and it goes along with the picture that's in my bathroom and kind of just my overall theme in my room. So other than my awesome DESENIO posters / wall art, I also have a little door hanger, and this door hang little clip thing, command strip, is that what they're called? Yeah. I actually got this at Dollar Tree, so it's a Dollar Tree like off-brand command strip, and I think it works just as well. I just have two of my purses on here, and both of these purses are Forever 21, and I actually got both of them at the thrift store, so they were barely used, and I absolutely love them. So right where those posters are, just to the left of the door, I have this white little 3-cube organizer from Target. I absolutely love it. I've had it for a few years now, and they always have these. And on top of it, I just have a white little basket to hold my keys and everything that I just need to grab whenever I'm leaving my room. So keys, hand cream, sunglasses, whatever it may be. And then I have my favorite salt lamp ever. My mom got me this for Christmas, and I think she got it from Bed Bath and Beyond. I always say Body Works, Bed Bath and Beyond, and it works really well. It's off the tripod so I can show you what else is in here. But I just have a little dish that kind of catches some more of my earrings. I have a really pretty picture frame that just has me and Jordan, and also me and my really good friend Brittany. And in this little container, I'm gonna take this down and show you guys because it's really cute. I got this actually from Dollar Tree, and it's just a very cheap acrylic container, but it looks super cute, and I thought it would be awesome to hold all of my silver chunky hoops and just slide it right in here, and I think it fits perfect and just really makes us look nice. This second cube right here is just all my swimsuits, Zaful, Target, whatever it may be, just all of them in there. And then this last one is very messy. It just has a bunch of hot glue guns, stickers, stuff for crafts. Right behind my door, this is Larry. He's a llama doorstop, and my best friend Alexa got this for me kind of as like a move-in gift, and it is so cute, and he just vibes out by the door. I'm gonna show you guys obviously is the bathroom. So if you walk in, you see obviously all the things I have on my vanity, and it gets a little echoey in here, so I apologize for that beforehand. So right here is that really cute marble tray that you guys saw in my college apartment haul, and if you haven't watched that already, I'll go ahead and put that in the iCard. And I also kind of talked about this when I did a little mini room tour for my move-in day vlog, but I just keep this Victoria's Secret perfume in here because I think it is just pretty aesthetic, but it also smells bomb.com. And also my Milani Rose Water Refreshing Setting Mist type of deal. It's just really good to spray on throughout the day. This right here is actually an old candle holder, and I just put my cotton pads in it, and then I have a candle from Walmart, and this candle actually smells so good, and it's the Cozy Comfort, so it's definitely like an off-brand of the Target ones, but it honestly smells bomb.com. I have a wallflower right here from Bath & Body Works, and it smells bomb as well. And then when we come up right here, we have another DESENIO poster, and it ties the bathroom together perfectly. I absolutely love this one. I don't remember what size this one is, but I'll go ahead and just show that across the screen what the size is. All of these posters will be linked down below, so make sure you check that out, and also check out the discount code that I have for you guys. So I also got this one from DESENIO, as I said, and it is so pretty. On my sink, I just have a Sunshine and Lemons Bath & Body Works foaming soap because I just love my foaming soap. And then right here, I have a fake little, I guess like a banana leaf, I think is what these are called. Same thing as what's on this DESENIO poster, just in a fake plant. When you look at my toilet, I have obviously the essentials, the plumber, whatever, your toilet paper. But I also have this really cute acrylic container that I got from Target, and that holds my favorite scent ever of Glade, because you know, the Glade needs to be in the bathroom. And then I just have these hand towels that I probably will never use because they just look too pretty right there. And then we obviously have the shower, which is very large, so I love my shower space. And if you open it up, I just have the typical, all my products hanging up there. I just have my washcloth on the door, so that is pretty much everything in my bathroom. And then I have my undersink storage and everything down here, so I'll go ahead and show you guys if you want to see that. Pretty stereotypical. I just have all my contacts, medicines, everything hanging in this little shelf right here, which I 100% recommend getting one of these because it adds so much more storage. I got mine from Walmart. Down here is just more storage, makeup, skincare, and in here is my every night drawer, so my toothbrush, my CeraVe products, moisturizers, retinols, just whatever it may be is always right there. Now it is time for my absolute favorite part of my room, and that is my bed area, as well as just my desk and everything else that is over here. And I can't wait to show you guys how I ended up decorating with my DESENIO posters over here, as well as everything else that I've put together on this part of my room. Into my bedroom area, you see that my closet door can't close all the way. Super annoying, but just ignore it. But also, the first thing that catches your eye is another gorgeous DESENIO poster, and I hung this up here just because I feel like it really ties in with the themes that I have going on in my bed. So it says Hide and Seek Camouflage Animals Series number 2, the leopard, and there's a couple other animals on the DESENIO website, but I obviously love the leopard one because it just really ties in. And the leopard print up here is actually a gray tone. It's not completely black. I'm not quite sure how camera is picking it up right now, but the spots are actually more of a gray, so it just looks really well with my bed. Obviously I have all my pillows and my blankets and whatnot. These pillowcases I actually got at Dollar Tree, believe it or not. They're satin pillowcases. They have been threading a little bit, but honestly they still do their job. Behind that I have satin pillowcases from Amazon, and I will definitely link all Amazon products down below. And then I have a body pillow cover from Target. I got this little sparkly pillow probably 2 years ago. I used to not use it at all, and then those started just looking really nice and people really started using them for decor. So I believe I got that from Target. And then this fluffy pillow right here, Five Below, and the one back there is also from Target. Right here, obviously we have a nightstand, and all the furniture in this room is provided by my apartment complex. So luckily it goes really well with how I decorate. So right here, I just have a candle holder that holds my Roku as well as my LED remote. I have a lip plumper in here and Burt's Bees because you just need that no matter what right before bed. I have this little marble looking coaster, my blue light glasses, this really pretty candle that is actually from Walmart. I've never seen this brand at Walmart before, but they had it. I've only burned it a couple times, but honestly guys, it just looks really pretty sitting here and it smells very fresh and kind of like that fresh clean laundry. And this lamp right here I got from Target a few years ago, so I'm not too sure if they still have it, but I really like it because it has this acrylic looking detail here. And then this little clip picture frame I also got from Target in the little $5 section, and it just has me and my best friend Alexa and me and the boo thing Jordan at one of his games. Over to my desk area, I absolutely love it. It takes up a lot of space, but I love how much it opens up this side of the room. So obviously I have this little mirror here that I have showed you guys in my everything I bought during quarantine haul. It is awesome for doing your makeup, so I'll link that down below. It's from Amazon. I just have my MacBook sitting here in this really cute little dish that I hold some more of my little chunkies in. A candle burning because what's a room tour without a Bath & Body Works candle? On the chair I have this little fur thing. It used to be a rug, but I just really hated the way it slipped around, so I kind of just use it as like a little chair cover ever since I've had it. And then here I am, hello. This mirror I DIY'd because it was originally from the thrift store. So I just painted this frame and figured it fit perfect on my desk, and when I moved in and I put it up here, I absolutely love the way it looks. Over here I just have my TV and I have been watching Twilight all day per usual, so I was doing that while I was getting all my posters ready for you guys. Behind there I have my LED lights. This white cube, again from Target, they have the best little shelves and cubes I feel like for a really good price. I finally replaced the cube colors. They used to be my old white ones that I had in my black cube at home, and I knew I wanted gray ones, so I got these from Target. I believe they were under $20, so again I will link that down below so you guys can find them for your cube or shelf or closet, whatever it may be. In these cubes I just hold some of my school stuff, and there in here I just have like my brush, command strips, random stuff. This one is empty. This one has all of my microphones, tripods, whatever it may be in there that I'm not currently using. I put all my makeup in here and then just kind of transfer the cube up to my desk in the mornings when I'm getting ready. And this one has antibacterial wipes, love to see it. So that just vibes out there. And then obviously we have my closet. I am not opening my closet because I figured I could do a closet tour eventually, and it is just not ready for you guys to even lay eyes on it because it is that messy. So right here, this is Ray. This is the Bay when Bay is not here. So he is a stingray. He's really cute. He's a little camera shy though, so bye Ray. And then I have this Five Below little throw right here, and I just really love the way it adds a little bit of color away from all the gray blankets, and it just sits on top of the fur stool. And then again I have another mirror, and this is a body length mirror that I got from Target. And I don't remember how much it was because it was kind of a long time ago, but I'm sure it was around like $50, some stupid price. So I have a pretty nice window space in my apartment. I got these curtains from, I believe, Family Dollar, and they are super inexpensive, but they are pretty long. As you can see, they reach all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom here, and I hate when curtains are all over the ground, so I think that's a perfect length. And I just have some lights that aren't plugged in right now, but those are just typical Christmas lights. Okay babe, so that is honestly everything I have in my room so far. If anything drastic changes, I can definitely make an updated version of my room tour, but honestly I think this is pretty much the way I'm gonna keep it, and I love how all my DESENIO posters look. And I do want to thank DESENIO so much for collabing with me in this video. Thank you for just giving me this opportunity, and I really hope my subscribers and my viewers, you guys are taking advantage of that discount code when you are watching this. So just one more reminder, if you're not subscribed, do that now. And if you have not checked out that DESENIO discount code, go ahead and do that so you guys can get some goodies for your room or your space. Definitely stay tuned. Make sure you guys have your notification bell on so you know the next time I post. I hope you guys are staying healthy. Everyone's having a good school year. Everyone's having a good time at their workplace, and just be happy, be kind. Mwah.